The only thing you need to know to understand the deepest metaphysical secrets is this: that for every outside there is an inside, and for every inside there is an outside. And although they are different, they go together. We know who we are in terms of other people. We all lock together. You and I are all as much continuous with the physical universe as a wave is continuous with the ocean. The ocean waves, and the universe peoples. It is absolutely absurd to say that we came into this world. We didn't. We came out of it. Therefore, that what you call the external world is as much you as your own body. Your skin doesn't separate you from the world. It's a bridge through which the external world flows into you, and you flow into it. Just as a sun or star has many rays, so the whole cosmos expresses itself in you, in you, in you, in you, in you, with all the different variations. It dances with infinite variety. But every single dance that it does, that is to say, you, is what the whole thing is doing. So you have this process, which is quite spontaneous, going on. We call it life. It's controlling itself. It's aware of itself. It's aware of itself through you. You are an aperture through which the universe looks at itself. You are this universe, and you are creating it at every moment. Because you see, it starts now. Every one of us is a whirlpool in the tide of existence. And we are in every cell in our body, every molecule, every atom is in constant flux, and nothing can be pinned down. What you do is what the whole universe is doing at the place you call here and now. If I am I because you are you, and you are you because I am I, then I am not I and you are not you. In other words, we are not separate. We define each other. We're all backs and fronts to each other. The real you is not a puppet which life pushes around. The real deep down you is the whole universe. Under all explicit opposition, there is implicit unity. We resist change, ignorant of the fact that change is life, and that nothing is invariably the obverse face of something. So space, night, death, darkness, not being there, is an essential component of being there. This organism is a continuous energy with everything else that's going on. Everybody is fundamentally the ultimate reality, not God in a politically kingly sense, but God in the sense of being the self, the deep down basic whatever there is. And you're all that. Only you're pretending you're not. You're not something that is a sort of puppet on the end of the process. You are still the process. You are the Big Bang, the original force of the universe coming on as whoever you are. Doesn't it really astonish you that you are this fantastically complex thing? And that you're doing all of this and you never had any education in how to do it? You never learned, but you're this miracle?
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions.
One is educated to live in the future, and one is not ever educated to live today. What I am saying is that making plans for the future is of use only to people who are capable of living completely in the present. If you can't live in the present, you are not able to enjoy the future for which you have planned.
What would you like to do if money were no object? Well, how would you really enjoy spending your life? If you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. Therefore, it's so important to consider this question: what do I desire? Change, and everything is change, nothing can be held on to. To the degree that you go with a stream, you are still. But to the degree you resist the stream, then you notice that the current is rushing past you and fighting with you. So swim with it. And you're there. You're at rest. The physical universe is basically playful. There is no necessity for it whatsoever. It isn't going anywhere. That is to say, it doesn't have some destination that it ought to arrive at. We all know very well that after people die, other people are born. And they're all you. Only you can only experience it one at a time. Everybody is I. You all know you are you. And wheresoever beings exist throughout all galaxies, it doesn't make any difference. You are all of them. And when they come into being, that's you coming into being.
If you're tired of waking up unmotivated, it is time you download the Mindset Daily Motivation app and start your day with new motivational alarms.